Hello and welcome to another Facts and Dimensions Spotlight dataset. This one's a really good dataset which I think has been long awaited for by everyone in the NHS. So the NHS has a massive amount of useful data. The most prominent ones being outpatient data for the whole country, inpatient for the whole country, and accident emergency for the whole country. The problem with it is, of course, it contains a massive amount of patient identifiable data. So people who just want to build systems that would use this data would need some sample data to be able to test their systems and so forth. So NHS Digital, NHS England now, have created an artificial data set which emulates those three main data sets: A&E, outpatient, inpatient, and it's absolutely excellent. It's massively detailed. There's 55 million rows of data across 3 tables, and I'm just going to show you quickly the sort of stuff they've got. So starting with artificial admitted patient care, or inpatient as I call it, you can see here this is the exact data set as you'd expect it, the CDS data, admission method, admission category, and so on, all the usual columns. In fact, I've listed the columns just here, so the whole lot is there. I'll just quickly tab down. You can just pause the video to see. See operations, procedures, all these extra fields. There's a whole load of fields that weren't there when I used to work in the NHS. So a lot of stuff there. And just to show you what other stuff there is, I picked a field at random, admission method. I've joined it to the data dictionary schema that we also have in UK Health Dimensions, so you can get the descriptions. And that's, as you know, with all of the fields that the NHS uses, there's another table in UK Health Dimensions with what the codes, what they mean, like the diagnosis codes. That's in the ICD-10 tables, and OPCS codes, if they're in here somewhere, that's in the OPCS4 tables, and so on. GP practice in the practice tables, and everything's there. So if you were going to build a system that was using this data with UK Health Dimensions as well, you'd have all of the codes and the descriptions. Absolutely brilliant. Same thing for A&E. You've got the same massive bunch of fields. So if I just I'll just page down so you can have a quick look and pause it if you so wish. So it's all there. Fantastic. I just picked one of the fields and joined them to data dictionary table. And outpatients as well, same again. All the fields that you'd expect, loads of detail, perfect for building systems and testing stuff on without any fear of patient identifiable data loss because it's all made up. Thanks very much.